Okay. So I'm going to be utilizing two indicators. And those indicators, if we click on the indicator icon here, are the RSI, the relative strength index indicator, and the Williams percent R, or the Williams percent range indicator. And so I have these indicators set up here on my chart. If I go in and check the RSI settings here, I've set the period to 10, and in the style settings, I've disabled the 70 and the 30 line. They're enabled in the default settings, but I won't be utilizing them. And I'm gonna change the length of the line pixels to for the main and the 50 line to 2 pixels each. Okay, so we save that. And for the Williams percent R indicator, I've also set the period to 10. And in the style settings, uh, I've disabled the 20 and the 80 line here. We only have the 50 line, the middle line, in the chart. And I've increased the line width also to 2 pixels for the main line here. Okay, save the settings. And for my candlestick chart, I have the candle set to 1 minute, regular Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I also have the trade time set to 1 minute here. So I'll be taking fast 60-second trades while looking at 1 minute candles. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the euro dollar Australian dollar currency pair here, and I just took a sell trade. Okay, now the reason why I took the sell trade is if we look at the RSI indicator here, the the line crosses below the 50 line here in a downward direction, number one. And secondly, the Williams percent R line crosses below this 50 line as well here in a downward direction. And if you notice here in the price action of the currency pair, there's a general bearish momentum occurring in the price here from top left to bottom right. So this suggests a continued bearish momentum to the downside. And we won that trade. Okay. All right. So I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay. So I'm on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen currency pair, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is the RSI line first crosses over the 50 line here, the white 50 line in an upward direction. Secondly, the Williams percent R line has crossed above the 50 line as well in an upward direction. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, good. We won that trade. It was a close trade, but we got the right entry price. And look, the price also continues to push upward. All right, so let me pause the video and look for our next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Great British Pound Australian Dollar currency pair, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is, first of all, the RSI line crosses below the white 50 line here in a downward direction. Secondly, the Williams percent R line has also crossed below its 50 line uh, in a downward direction. The 50 line is about right over here. So when you see it on the chart, we need both confirmations. And so this suggests a bearish momentum to the downside over the next 60 seconds. And we won that trade. So yes, you have to have both confirmations here before you take the trade. And so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is, first of all, the RSI line crossed over the 50 line here in an upward direction. And secondly, the Williams percent R line also crosses its midpoint, which is the 50 line here. So this suggests these two indicators confirm a continued bullish momentum to the upside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, we won that trade. All right, so let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Euro Great British Pound currency pair, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is, first of all, the RSI line crossed below the 50 line here in a downward direction. Secondly, the Williams percent R line also crossed below the 50 line here in a downward direction. So these confirmations suggest a bearish trend here to the downside over the next 60 seconds in the price of the currency pair. So let's monitor this trade and wait for this expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. Okay, so I'm gonna look for one last setup. So let me pause the video and look for the trade. Okay, so I'm on the Great British Pound, Canadian dollar, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is the RSI line just crossed below the 50 line here. We have some strong bearish candles occurring here. In addition to that, the Williams percent R line crosses below the 50 line. The Williams percent R is a momentum oscillator. So this suggests a continued bearish movement to the downside here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, great. So we won that trade. So I'm going to end the trading session here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you comment, make any comments about the strategy. If you have any questions, subscribe to my channel. I also have a link to the trading platform in the video comments or in the channel description of the video. Another thing I wanted to make note of is I'm only risking about 2% of my capital here, which provides for good money management. You don't want to risk uh, a high percentage of your capital because big big trades can also lead to big losses. So the idea is you want to preserve your capital and get some consistent wins, and that way you'll be able to grow your capital over the long term. Okay. So yes, the RSI and Williams percent R, they're two very powerful indicators that I use in my trading strategies. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Gus Schmidt.